Hello and welcome to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2018. It's Portsmouth Primary from St. Catherine up against Irwin Primary from St. James. I'm your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Portsmouth Primary won. They decided to have Irwin Primary play first. This section lasts for 4 minutes. Irwin, we begin with you in Bible knowledge. Irwin Primary, what relation was Reuben to Isaac?
Cousins.
That's incorrect. It's grandson. Portsmouth Bible knowledge, what relation was Laban to Benjamin?
Grandfather and grandson.
That's correct. Correct answer came first. Grandfather is correct. Science, true or false for Irwin? Liquids are easy to compress.
True.
That's incorrect. It's false. Portsmouth science, true or false? The particles of a gas are packed tightly together.
False.
That's correct. Irwin, local affairs, it's a visual question. Team, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Floyd Green.
That's incorrect. It's Member of Parliament James Robertson. Portsmouth local affairs, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person. That's incorrect. Member of Parliament Heroy Clark. Irwin, English language. Form an adjective from disaster.
Disastrous. Disastrous.
Disastrous is correct. Portsmouth, English language. Form a noun from combine.
Combination.
Or combiner. That's correct. Irwin, television, visual for you again. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Tiffany.
That's incorrect. She's Marseille Martin. Portsmouth, television, visual. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Taylor Rose.
That's incorrect. She's Storm Reed. Irwin, general knowledge. In which country can you find the Eiffel Tower?
France.
That's correct. Portsmouth, general knowledge. In which country can you find the River Thames?
England.
That's correct. Irwin, social studies. What's the capital of St. Thomas?
Moran Bay. Moran Bay.
That's correct. Portsmouth, social studies. What's the capital of St. Anne?
St. Anne's Bay. St. Anne's Bay.
That's correct. Irwin, music. Who recorded and released the single I Will Always Love You?
Whitney Houston. Whitney Houston.
That's correct. Portsmouth, music. Who recorded and released the single Endless Love?
Anita Franklin.
That's incorrect. It's Lionel Richie or Diana Ross. Irwin, mathematics. What number, when added to 152, is equal to 1,468?
1,316.
That's correct. Portsmouth, mathematics. What number, when added to 87, is equal to 1,246?
$959.
That's incorrect. Or say the answer again.
959.
Oh, that's incorrect. It's 1,159. Irwin, sports, visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this NBA player.
John Brown.
That's incorrect. It's Kevin Love. Portsmouth sports, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor. Identify this NBA player.
Garrett Smith. Garrett Smith.
That is correct. And that bell signifies the end of section 1 with Irwin primary on 5 points, Portsmouth primary on 6 points. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, if a topic or subject is giving you a hard time, don't get frustrated. Take a break and then return with renewed energy, determined to succeed. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next.